Once the vapor barrier has been installed, you can install the insulation layer. This layer must be glued directly onto the vapor barrier. Begin with the tap hole compartment. For this, use an insulation board that is 2 cm thinner than the standard boards. This will create a depression for water to drain into the tap hole. Next, insulate the rest of the roof with standard insulation boards. Cut the boards to size and arrange them in a staggered pattern. Apply 3 or 4 strips of foam adhesive per board to the vapor barrier. Press the boards down firmly, but do not flatten the adhesive completely. Insulate the entire roof, then allow the insulation layer to rest briefly before moving on to the next step.